Good morning students, and here a continuation ng Algebra 1, but ang topic for today is quadratic equations. So we have three sample problems for quadratic equations and we will solve the problems. Yung mga problems na ito isosolve lang natin using calculator. Okay? So let's start. Problem number 1. The equation whose roots are the reciprocal of the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 is A. 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, B. 5x squared plus 3x minus 2, C. 2x squared minus 5x plus 3, and D. 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. So, yung tinatanong is, ano yung tinatanong? Yung reciprocal. Okay? Reciprocal of the roots ng equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. Okay. So, how to solve this problem? Paano i-solve yung problem na to? Solve the roots of 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. Yan po yung given. Okay. Again, ito po siya. Yung given. Ito, solve for the roots. Paano natin i-solve ang roots? Using calculator. So, sa calculator, kuha ka ng calcio, mode 5-3. Sa mode 5-3, merong lalabas na parang naka-matrix sa taas A, B, at C. Yung A, B, at C, yun po yung coefficients ng quadratic equation. Ito si A, ito si B, ito si C. Okay. So, kaya input coefficients, yun, A equals 2, B equals negative 3, C equals negative 5. So, after ma-input yung coefficients, press equal lang sa calculator. Again, mode 5-3, input coefficient, then press equal. Lalabas ang roots, x1 equals 5 halves, and press equal again para makuha ang ikalawang roots, x2 equals to negative 1. So, meron na tayong roots. Now, ang hahanapin natin sa choices, roots ng equation na reciprocal sa given. So, therefore, hanapin natin 2/5 and negative 1. Kasi reciprocal ng 5 halves is 2/5. Reciprocal ng negative 1 is still negative 1. Okay. So, hahanapin natin choices by choices. So, the process, isosolve natin ang roots nito. Then, solve din natin ang roots nito. Solve din natin ang roots nito at saka yung roots nito. Paano isolve? Mode 5-3 lang, input coefficient para makuha ang roots nila. Same process. Okay? So, let's start with letter A. So, sa letter A, pag mag-mode 5-3 tayo, ang makukuha na roots, 1/3 and negative 2. Sa letter B, ang makukuha na roots, 2/5 and negative 1. Actually, pwede na tayong mag-stop dito. Ito na yung sagot. It's very obvious. Letter B. So, para makomplete lang, ito yung mga roots ni letter C at ni letter D. So, again, yung tanong, reciprocal of the roots. So, from the choices, yan po yung may reciprocal from the given. So, the correct answer is letter B. Yun, madali lang. Okay, again, to summarize, to solve for the roots of a given quadratic equation, use mode 5-3, input coefficients, and masusolve mo na yung roots ng quadratic equation. So, problem number 2. Find the value of k if 4x squared plus 6x plus k will have equal roots. So, ang sabi, equal roots. So, mode 5-3 pa rin ito siya, class. Kaso lang, okay, reverse. I-reverse natin. Yung nasa choices, is-substitute natin sa k. Okay? So, ito din, is-substitute mo sa k. Ito, is-substitute mo sa k. And ito, is-substitute mo sa k pa rin. Okay? So, ang hahanapin lang natin, pag mode 5-3 natin, and then input the coefficient, magsusolve tayo ng roots, dapat yung roots niya, yung x1 equals to x2. Usually sa calculator, malalaman natin na equal yung roots pag isang x lang yung ibibigay ng calculator. Okay. So, yun lang. Reverse. Sa letter A, So, yun pa rin mode 5, 3, kada choices. So, ito yung letter A, ito yung roots niya. Equal ba? Hindi. Kasi yung roots ng letter A are complex conjugate. Okay? Complex conjugate po yan. Si letter B, ito yung roots niya. Hindi rin equal. Kasi yung hinahanap natin, equal roots. Letter C, ito yung quadratic equation, hindi rin equal. Sa letter D, ito yung quadratic equation, ito na yung equal. Pero take note, sa calculator, isa lang ibibigay niya. X equals to negative 3/4. Okay? So, nakita natin lahat ng choices, in-applyan natin ng mode 5-3. Sa letter A, yung quadratic equation, ito yung si letter A, ito yung si letter B, ito si letter C, ito yung value naman for letter D. So, yun. And it's obvious now, the correct answer is letter D. Okay, yun. Mode 5-3 pa rin, reverse. Yun lang yung pinakamadali para ma-solve. Pagtiwala lang sa calculator. So, sa next problem, ito na siya. So, this is 2 reviewees from MC Squared Coaching Center. Solve a quadratic equation in X. One student made a mistake on the coefficient of the linear term and the roots to be 1 and 2, while the other made a mistake in the constant term and found the roots to be negative 1 and 2. What was the correct quadratic equation? Si student 1, ito yung makukuha na quadratic equation. Kasi, ang sabi sa problem, yung roots niya 1 and 2. Pag i-add mo, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Usually, sa sum of products ng quadratic equation, so that is positive 3, pag ilalagay mo si positive 3 sa quadratic equation mismo, reverse the sign. So, kaya 1 plus 2, 3, pero pag lalagay mo x squared, ito na po siya. Ito yung sum of roots, negative 3. So, ito yung 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So, 1 times 2 equals to 2. That is positive 2, and the sign sa quadratic equation ng sum of, ng product of roots as is lang. So, kaya meron tayong plus 2. Okay? So, yung quadratic equation ni student 1, x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay? Si student number 2, so, bago tayo mag-proceed kay student number 2, ang sabi sa problem, ang mali ni student number 1, coefficient of the linear term. So, linear term, dapat first degree yung x. So, eto siya. Mali daw ito. Okay? Mali yan. So, ika-cancel natin yan later. So, si student number 2, yung roots na nakuha niya is negative 1 and 2. So, negative 1 and 2, i-add mo negative 1 plus 2, that is 1. So, magiging, kung 1 siya, magiging minus x. Eto na siya. Kasi, again, yung sum of roots, reverse mo lang yung sign. The negative 1 times 2, that is negative 2. So, ito na siya, negative 2. So, para malaman yung sign, paano mag-reverse? Plus, minus, plus. Okay? So, asan daw nagmali si student number 2? Nagmali si student number 2 sa constant term. Ito yung constant term. So, therefore, tatanggalin natin yan, si minus 3x at si minus 2. Okay, tatanggalin natin si minus 3x and si minus 2. So, may iwan na lang si x squared, si minus x, at saka si plus 2. So, ito siya. Yan na lang yung may iwan. So, at si plus 2. So, that is equals to 0. And from the choices, saan siya? Letter, that is letter D. Okay, yun. So, that's all for today, and that's all for the Algebra 1 quadratic equations. I hope may na-learn. And again, if may mga questions, text me or comment lang for the questions so that makabigay ako ng feedback. Okay, thank you and God bless.